Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ultimate World University Challenge. 10 seconds per question, one-word answers only. Who will earn the top grade tonight? Before starting, subscribe to Maham Crafty channel for more exciting quizzes. Which university is currently ranked #1 in the world? This is the right answer. MIT. Oldest English-speaking university? That's the correct answer. Oxford. Oldest university in the USA? You got it right. Harvard. Largest research university in the UK? Absolutely correct. Cambridge. Top technology university in Europe? Perfect answer. ETH. Highest ranked university in Asia? Yes, that's ants. Tsinghua. World's #1 business school? Correct answer. INSEAD. Most famous university in France? Bingo. Sorbonne. Oldest university in Germany? Spot on. Heidelberg. Top university in Australia? Well done. That's the answer. Melbourne. Best known university in Africa? You nailed it. Cape Town. #1 university in Japan? 100% correct. Tokyo. Largest open university in the world? That's the truth. Indira Gandhi. Leading university in the Middle East? Right on target. KAUST. Highest ranked art and design university? Exactly right. RISD. Top university in Canada? That's the one. McGill. Oldest university in Austria? You guessed it. Vienna. Leading university in Arizona? Right choice. Arizona. #1 university in South Korea? True answer. Seoul. Historic Islamic Learning Center in Egypt? Great job. That's correct. Al-Azhar, highest ranked in New Zealand? This is the right answer. Auckland, premier university in Singapore? That's the correct answer. In US, famous university in the Swiss Alps? You got it right. Lausanne, oldest university in Ireland? Absolutely correct. Trinity, renowned art and design university in Italy? Perfect answer. Ptolemy.
Thanks for watching.